In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zaps to your favorites in Zapier. This small but effective feature can significantly enhance your productivity by keeping your most used Zaps just a click away. Whether you're a seasoned automation enthusiast or just starting out, adding Zaps to your favorites is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, we'll begin by navigating to the home page of Zapier. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in zapier.com. Once the home page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't already, go ahead and enter your credentials. Now, take a look at the left side of the screen where you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Assets and click on it. By clicking on Assets, you're effectively opening up your personal library, where all your Zaps and other project components are stored. This area is crucial for organizing your automations and gives you easy access to managing your Zaps. Next, once you're inside the Assets section, you'll need to find the specific Zap you wish to add to your favorites. Scroll through your list of Zaps until you find the one you're looking for. The list is usually organized by the most recently used Zaps, so it should be relatively quick to locate your desired Zap. Feel free to use the search bar for quicker access if your list is extensive. Once you've found it, simply click on the Zap's name to open its details page. This is where you can manage your Zap settings and make modifications to its workflow if needed. Here comes the final step, which is just as easy as the previous ones. Look for a star icon near the name of the Zap. Once you locate it, click on the star. This action will mark the Zap as a favorite, making it quickly accessible in the future under your favorites section in your account. You'll know you've succeeded when the star icon turns a solid color, typically gold. This visual cue indicates that the Zap has been successfully added to your favorites. By following these steps, you've now made your workflow more efficient. Having your favorite Zaps easily accessible means less time searching for them and more time focusing on other important tasks. Remember, you can remove a Zap from your favorites just as easily by clicking the star icon again, should your priorities or frequently used Zaps change over time. Thanks for tuning in and happy automating.